Let's start the best quotations for my last day at school essay. School life is a golden chapter of our book of life. Every ending brings a new beginning. Memories made in school are treasure of the heart. The last bell did not just mark the end of school, it marked the end of an era. Tears rolled down, not because it ended, but because it was beautiful. Saying goodbye to school is saying goodbye to the innocence of childhood. The walls of our school hold 1,000 stories of laughter, learning, and friendship. On the last day, every corner of the school whispered memories of the past. Goodbyes are not forever, they are just pauses in the history of friendship. We entered as children and left as dreamers. If you love meaningful essay quotations, make sure to watch my video on my hobby as gardening essay quotations. It's full of inspiring lines too. Let's continue. Time may fly, but the memories of our school days never fade. Our last day at school was a moment where joy and sadness walked hand in hand. Parting from friends feels like closing a window to world we never want to forget. The last day at school is not the end, it's the start of new journey. Every classroom, corridor, and bench become memory to hold forever. We laughed, we cried, and we promised never to forget each other. A chapter closed, but the memories remain written in our hearts. That final bell rang, and the silence filled the air, the silence full of memories. Leaving school felt like leaving a piece of our childhood behind. School days may pass, but their lessons remain forever. If you enjoyed these quotations, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Smart Study Spot. And after this video, check out my video on my house essay quotations. You will definitely enjoy it.